Also, good evening to everyone that's locked in around the world. If you're right here in London, England, the capital, and you know dancehall and you like dancehall music, we have a very, very special guest inside. The Mia of London is here. No, not the official Mia, but the dancehall Mia is live here in the studio with us this evening. He goes by the name of Andrefresh, Lord Gelly's Fresh. Good evening to see you. How you doing, sir?
Yeah, man, bless up, man, and good to be here,
You know much years we are trying to get the general on the show, but we can't find him.
No, man, I don't think you're try hard enough.
No, we try, but you're there, no one is a joy.
Yeah, man, it's a pleasure, man, to be here still,
Of course,
yeah.
I mean. So people who don't know Andrefresh, who've been living on a rock, Andrefresh and the Mia for dancehall. That's what me give him. Me give the title for the Mia here, sir.
Well, if you give us, we accept it.
Of course. So what's good? Because you've been very busy.
Well, you just have to just take it as it's coming up. Right now, we don't know what tomorrow gonna bring. So right now, the world accept us. So we just had to one do it thing,
But they've been accepting you for a while, though.
Well, as I said, as long as it lasts, we don't know how long it's gonna last for still. But for now, yeah.
All right. Most people see Andrefresh in the party. Never really get to hear you on a talking basis most, because more time we see you is a quick thing, you do your thing, share the party, and just gone.
Yeah.
Yes. Tell me a little bit about you. I don't really want to put no question to you. More just want you to just tell me about Andrefresh, other than the music side. Just tell me, who is Andrefresh?
Well, Andrefresh is a person who would like to help people. That's first and foremost, and just a loving person still.
You see, because you're always happy.
Yeah, well, we try to. All when we sad inside, we strike,
Put the good foot forward.
Yeah, but make people see the difference,
Okay, so you reside here in the UK, right?
Yeah, man, definitely. Too long now.
Too long? How long is too long? Were you born here in the UK or Jamaica?
No, I was born in Africa.
He's born in Africa.
Yeah.
So he's an African. Where we come from Africa still? Which country?
Normally I'm Jamaican. Like since we go down the little history route, like I want you to give us a quick explanation. How long have you been a professional DJ in the UK?
Yeah.
Well, professionally, I'll say it's going about 24 years now,
Wow.
Before Christ.
Before Christ and Jesus.
BC. 24 years BC. No, but them 24 years, you managed to stay in the top tier.
Well, trust me.
How do you do that? How did you manage that?
So the most important thing, you have a thing named evolution. You have to just evolve with, just,
Yeah.
You have to just evolve with what's going on. You understand? It don't make the sense you usually play all it's back them time there. And the people then want to hear different, they want to hear some vibes cartel. I'm going to say, no, I Gregory me usually play. I go stuck to my Gregory. Nah, I do that.
Yeah.
I move with the time.
But you managed just to stay trending. How do you do it? Do you watch the videos the youngsters watch, or do you have somebody that's feeding you the energy?
That's a key. Sometimes even the kids, they are very important.
Yeah.
You understand? A good listener is a good learner. You understand? And more time, even the kids, them
give
you ideas. Because sometimes we go have some Christian and some kids say, look, you have that song, yeah? You have scratch your head and say, which song this is what I talk about? When they go up on YouTube, you see this song get millions of views.
Yeah.
You understand? So straight away you have to put that song in your playlist.
Of course.
And it's a child tell you about that song there. So that's how it goes. So you can't too big to learn, man.
What makes a good DJ?
What make a good DJ?
Yeah.
Most important thing is to know to entertain people. If you can read the crowd, that's the most important thing. Even sometimes, all right, say for example, I've been to, where have I been to before? I've been to Washington, and I've said to the promoter that I need to go to this, I'll go to a dance before to see what these people like.
Yeah.
So we're just going to the dance, jump one side, observe, listen to the DJ when them play, and then you see the type of songs the people then gonna relate to. And that's how you do it. Most time really still. You have to just know how to read a crowd. That's the most important thing in being a good DJ.
Don't mean to jump in the controversy, but straight along, like a lot of people crown the King of South, a lot of people crown the King of London. What you crown yourself as?
Me? Well, the day I'm gonna crown myself is the same day I'm gonna put down music and say stop playing music. But for now, I leave it to you guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, because like you've been putting in a lot of work over the years.
But
so
Andrefresh go everywhere. That's
that's the thing. Some people say he's the king of South. Some say he's the king of London. So there we have the controversy.
No, we just say king of South because we play as Rick said, we play everywhere. You understand? Not only in London. You understand? Birmingham, Galchester, you name it, all over England.
Yeah,
So-
I know you're a frequent player when it come on to doing a DJ work.
because that's all. This is all I see on this man
Yeah.
Instagram page is pictures.
We
In
try to keep up to date with the travels as like.
As I said, to be honest, as a dancehall DJ
Yeah.
out of England, we are one of the most requested dancehall DJ from England. So
because most people go to Jamaica for if they want a dancehall DJ.
mhm.
But it's good for you residing in the UK and managing to pull that interest.
Well, I tell you what, if sometimes the fare was that expensive,
Yeah.
would be on the plane even more. You understand? Because we get those calls. You understand? Even last week I should be in Houston, Texas. Well, last week I Independent America.
Yeah. Yeah.
When the promoter they add up the fare and the fare come to £1,000 and I'm telling them you have a comeback for one progress dance in England. Them
Yeah.
say, them could manage it. Say that them have to just cancel that show still because
Yeah.
the fare alone are £1,000. So
It don't make no sense.
yeah. But if it wasn't for that, man, trust me, week in, week out we'll be on flights still.
What's the best parties you played here? I say, who is the best people that you think that you like playing for? Do you like playing for a mixed audience, or you like playing for predominantly Jamaicans or Caribbean people, I should say?
Well, to be honest, it doesn't really matter still, you know. As long as the most important thing, just give me a packed crowd.
Yeah.
Whether I want to mix, Caribbean, you name it, Jamaican, we just like people. And I'm good with that.
How do you manage to stay out of controversy?
Well, the most important thing is just to keep your mouth closed.
No, but you all right. We're gonna elaborate on that a bit because a couple of weeks ago there was this little outburst on Instagram where we see Andrefresh put up a sequence of posts and everybody like, is this Andrefresh page or is his page been hacked? What happened there and then? I don't want to put too much light on it, but you can tell me what you want to tell me about the situation.
No, sometimes you have a thing with them say when the cup full, it overflows still.
So basically, the dumpling them, you know, it boil over.
Boil over the pot.
Yeah, just what I
you
did.
shift the cover, you look at it, you know. Let out some steam.
Yeah, we
out
just
like
leave it at that. The pot did full, so it just overflow. So we just leave it like that.
But do you find that you have with your peers, for instance, you have loads of different peers, i.e. like Gangster Kid Lizard, I'm not pointing out anybody particular, but
yeah,
how
my co-workers inside the
co-workers,
music
yeah.
fraternity in London.
how do you manage? Are you good with everybody, or you have do's and don'ts?
Well, to be honest, we try our best to be good with everyone still, but sometimes you're gonna have people who wanna replace you still. So you have to just try stay above them still, really still, you know.
So is that a good thing or a bad thing? Because obviously, like me as a young DJ coming up, I know like obviously the work that you guys put in over the years, like we inherit it. Because like dance, I'll have to live on in the shape of somebody. Not saying like I want to replace you, like want you to do your course, but if somebody do try to replace you, what's your take on it?
Well, put it this way. If you don't get fight in life sometimes, that means you're not doing nothing.
Yeah.
Full stop. That's how we look on it. I've get fight from me one of the DJ we get the most fight from even police out there.
You know, me not feel like get no fight
A joke here, man.
because you know dirt and there on your name,
I mean,
Andrefresh.
No,
that's
what?
the thing.
And there and there on your name.
Sometimes I think I me kill people in the dance. The way the police they pressure me.
Okay.
You know what?
From the side, you know why? Me have a idea why. Because when you're that popular and you're that trending, most time 9 out of 10 of the time, then you're gonna be on the hypest parties where, and sometimes some of these parties are troubled. So obviously, if they see your name so much time, they're obviously gonna think that you are like, what am I saying now?
No, that's the way you say it still.
You are influencer.
Yeah,
towards
yeah.
The
Because that's
whatever
what they're
is happening
saying.
inside
That's
the
what
party.
that's. I've been into meeting like with police and they're telling me that I'm the one who attract like certain followers and stuff like that. So
No, but this is where I have problems with the promote. This is where the promotion comes in, because all of the venues, all of the different arenas that the biggest stars is, they have these type of people following. They go to the same shows,
exactly.
and they probably do the same thing. But the difference is those venues find a way to monitor it and keep it stopping things from boiling over. The problem we have as our fraternity is that we are not handling that well. So when these things happen, it spill over, and then it goes over into a private life, and then that's how it affects you.
Yeah, definitely.
So from your point of view, as the forerunner of the game,
Me,
yeah, of course.
I don't want to bash nobody. I would say like one of the forefront runners in the game, because you have a lot of big guns out there.
Yeah.
And I don't mean say I want to make a man feel bad and say
Big up Gangster Kid, you know. I always big up Gangster Kid.
Yeah,
One of the
definitely.
man them who pioneer thing to dancehall. Do you like the turn that dancehall taking right now in the UK?
Yeah.
well, to be honest, no. Because the thing is that there's too many secret locations and stuff like that. People need to know where they're going. So, in that, I would say no, definitely not.
But you don't think that you are partly to be responsible for that as well, as a person who is leading the game?
Me,
Of course.
Why
But because we have to start from the person who's more influential.
no. But the thing is that I'm sure you have been to party. We as the DJ, I'm not gonna only say me. We as the DJ,
Yeah.
in terms of even try to tell people not to smoke in dancehall.
It's hard. We know that.
You understand?
Yeah.
If we tell them, look, don't go outside and making a noise, I better we tell them, say, look, go outside and turn up the car stereo and make as much noise as possible. So you can't really blame us. You have to blame the patrons. They are the one who are the problem.
Yeah. So
All right, now let me just ask some selector problem, because from a selector to a selector,
Yeah.
do you think dancehall music has been represented in the UK right now, as the young generation growing up and playing music? Do you think they are doing it authentically, like how you used to it while they was growing up and building all these good things where we are in it now?
Well, as I said, I'm definitely not one DJ to bash, especially young DJs. Because
No, it's
ju-
not bashing anybody. It's
No.
about, do you like whatever is
No,
going on
because
now, because music have changed.
Well, as I said, I haven't got any problem with that. I'm not one to bash, like, say, for example, you're going to hear some DJ. Oh, them don't know about vinyl. Come on. Young DJs wasn't playing vinyl. Or there wasn't around when vinyl played. So, okay, to be bashing them that they're laptop DJs and stuff like that. When they wasn't around when vinyl played. Come on, you can't be bashing them. So,
me used to play vinyl. I like vinyl.
I'm not talking specifically about vinyl, because you have a lot of DJ play the song outside of the pitch range. So sometimes they don't understand the grasp. You have to stick in a certain range, as it also like Chickmonk.
yeah, fair enough. I do understand, especially when there's certain BPMs, certain songs playing at a certain speed. No, sometimes I'll tell them. There's certain DJ, I'll touch them and say, look, you're playing the song too fast. I'm one, if you're doing good, I'm going to tell you publicly that you're doing good. If you're not doing good, I'll touch you and say, you understand? So
Basically, that's the way you keep yourself out of mix up, because you're not, what you call it, you're not a bully.
no, we don't bash.
Or a brutish behavior guy.
If you notice with Andrefresh, I'm definitely one of them DJs, especially if I see certain young DJs going on good. You gotta see, we do like Suave Friday.
Yeah.
And from before that, we generally do Recession Tuesday. Once you see a young DJ go on good, you're gonna bring him through.
Yeah, because
Yeah,
you
so-
me know the youth there, my name again from
Well, Liar Squad son. Big up Liar Squad.
Yeah,
Bad
but I
sound.
saw them, man.
Liar
Yes.
Squad,
Yeah,
the
bad
next
sound,
little youth
man.
again,
Oh,
man.
dear.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Youth you go on good, man.
So do you think that you owe the business to like shine light on upcoming talent? Do you think that you have to do that, or
I don't have to, because I don't want to take that responsibility still. But
Why not?
I just don't want to take that responsibility.
Would you like to see everything that you work for and build up all over these 20 what you say, 24 years?
24 years?
Over these 24 years, crash and burn over the space of 2 or 3 years?
No, definitely not still, but I don't put it this way. I don't want to be the one who would like to take certain responsibility. You calling me like a dancehall governor, I don't think I am within myself.
No,
I'll leave it to
I
you
just put it to you.
No, but like as a DJ, one of the founder, I would say the founder of the the nowadays bashment, because you have the era before.
Yeah.
You guys are the mid section where we inherit the bashment thing from. So
yeah.
as one of the founder them of that bashment culture in UK, I think you owe that society a bit of debt or gratitude to direct the music in the right way. Not you
So
alone.
what should I do? Should I work with a school or something like that?
Not really, but
Okay.
you can give a helping hand in terms of guiding the music the right way.
Well, fair enough.
Makes sense.
We'd have to think about that still.
Okay, all right. Let's change up the conversation a bit, guys. We don't really want to bring it down too much. Tell me about Andrefresh on a Sunday evening, when no music is involved, just your time. What would you like to do on your downtime?
Sleep.
That's it.
Yeah, man.
You sound like me.
I'm only joking still. I don't mind, like, alright, say for example, we have a thing there, promoter versus DJ the other day.
Yeah.
Yeah, especially on a Sunday evening, summer Sunday. I would like more youths or DJ to take part in the thing that Dennis Raiders and them guys organize.
Yeah.
Have a bit more tournaments and stuff like that.
The one that got you injured, because people
Yeah,
come
man.
in the studio injured. Go on.
No, man, especially on a Sunday, I don't mind doing stuff like those still. Like playing a bit of cricket. I can't manage the football thing still, but, you know. Mm-hmm.
Well,
So I realize right now in 2019 we still have that kind of stigma.
Mm-hmm.
North man and South man don't really mix and mingle too much. Why is that still going on?
Well, to be honest, I don't really know about that still.
Because a new era, and we as a younger, we will say party goers and DJs are everybody. It's all good between us. So
Well, as far as I'm concerned, I'm from South, and from what I can from in the past, like South people tend to travel to North still.
yeah, they
It's
do.
more like North don't want to travel over to South.
cause like
The journey long still.
me never saw
But it's short for we. So. Yeah, all right then.
I like it. Just me. People. It's approximately 23 minutes past 10 right here, London, England time. We're live on the Upnlive show. We have a special guest inside the studio this evening, Andrefresh first. Namia, as I said, Falana is here with us this
The
evening.
man a Canada me, man.
Namia.
Canada
No.
artist, Scott.
and before we go any further, can you tell people where are some of the big bangers they could look out for you this summer?
Yeah.
Well, not this summer, you know, but I'm gonna emphasize on this one, the 21st of September.
Yeah.
That's my year-to-year birthday bash. It's called Brighter Days. You don't know the one, the huge. A matter of fact, I just got paid on money for the venue a while ago, just to secure it.
Please,
And I
I beg
talk
you.
about the decorator.
Is it a
and
day
them
and night
people.
party or is just a
No,
strictly
man, night
rave?
party, man.
Why you not try for a day party?
Like
Andrefresh?
something
That would have
like
good
a
enough.
festival, like a igloo type thing, like where you know where them have a Jamaica up on a beach
We'd
or a big
love
field
to,
or
because
something.
to be honest, I've got like the likes of Sans and them people contact us. You understand?
Yeah.
In terms of trying to promote them start a party over here, but you know the authorities, they nah give them venue. Trust me. Even my friend Bridget them been a trying to promote something at the park,
Yeah.
and them cancel it. So basically, when they come on to the authorities, when you go to America, Canada, even the other day, maybe Canada, loads of day party and stuff like that.
Yeah.
No problem. When they come on to England, it's a totally different thing.
But we're gonna have to make that change into that and try to find some way to curve that. But
The youths, them have to make a change. They are the first and foremost. The youths, they are the problem.
yeah.
Trust me. They have to learn how to behave themselves. You understand? As long as they can behave themselves, come out, party, go home back, everyone feels safe, then that's the first change we need to think about. The youths, they are the one who need to make that change.
Of course, definitely. People, if you're just joining us, Andrefresh, as I said before, is here in the building with us this evening. And Andrefresh, don't be a stranger next time. You need to forward, because how much years we are trying to forward up on the show. We not even get. We need, you know what we need? We need a proper seal whole show.
We need
Yeah,
a proper,
right.
cause
Yeah,
like
because I work for things when I really get paid.
Yeah, man, because I know me that tell you which part we are forward from as a bad selector back at Jamaica.
You see what I say?
You
We just
see
get
that?
talking to quick in the.
I think we have got to uncut maybe
Yeah.
next time, you know. We have got want to catch you any elements,
Yeah.
you know, outside of a studio venue and with us, so you can spill the beans.
Yeah,
Yeah.
man, we have no problem with that.
Right now I feel like you're kind of too, you know, you're too chill.
It's too chill and
No,
relax,
but
man.
no, you know, say they're cool still, though.
All right.
And the AC, they're kind of cool still, you know.
Yeah, but we have to have AC because what I do hard. But anyway, people, thank you very much for watching us with us, and thank you very much for passing through the studio with us this evening, Andrefresh. Can you read the socials out? Is it Andrefresh the first? That's the social media.
Andrefresh first. Angela Gellies on social media, Andrefresh Gellies on Facebook.
I mean, thank you very much, people.
Yeah, man.
Those they can stay. You know, that was Andrefresh live in the building, the mayor for London, of course. And people, if you want to see the rest of the interview, if you just join us, you can go onto our YouTube page. It's called Upnlive Show. Remember, we're here live each and every Tuesday at 9 p.m. on TGM Radio. You know, we call this the Upnlive Show, the saucy show, and the hot, you know. I also want to send a big shout out to Usain Bolt. You know, the brand new rhythm drop out in the Olympic Rose, and it's going to be launched on this Friday. Oh, no, not this Friday. He was launched on the 5th of July. So look out for that rhythm there. Olympic Rose is the brand new rhythm for Usain Bolt. You know, but like what I do, I put back some love to dancehall music, because the dancehall music him love. Right? So big up Usain Bolt on that one. Remember, if you're on Facebook, remember to like and share the link. Share it around. It's approximately 27 minutes past 10 right here. We're going to be talking to the baddest soca group in the whole world right now. Not even say soca group, the soca promotion group, I should say. Soca Frenzy is going to be live with us in a couple of minutes. But before that, Dragon is on the Weezer Steel. What's good, my brother?